All right, you guys, it's apple pie with J Hurt. Preheat your oven to 425. Wash and peel 6 apples like such. Ninja. From there, chop these bad boys down in finely cut pieces. Dump them all. Measurements below. Flour, granola, brown sugar, lemon. Spritz that lemon. Dump it. Ingredients: brown sugar, your flour, 2 dabs of salt, some ground nutmeg, whole cinnamon. Okay. Whisk it. We're gonna mix everything together. We making a pie, y'all. We're gonna dump it all in there. Oh, look at that. Look at here. Granola on top for some crunch. We're gonna top it off with that pie crust. Put some more. It looks like a pie. It smells like a pie. 45 minutes later, we must have a pie.